You are saying that I work for ODM to ensure that ANC is suppressed within the coalition. I want to categorically state here that I am in ANC to stay and I will not go anywhere.
Thutha wa njukaniriro kiama-ini kia ANC ateti amwe kiama-ini giki magikuo kwagarara mawatho maria maramataga mitugo ona uigiriki kiama-ini. Riu Mutongoria wa ANC Musalia Mudavadi ni arutire mukaana Senator wa Kakamega Cleophas Malala na mubunge Mwaura Godfrey Otsotsi aria makoretwo magitetia Musalia ni undu wa kwaga ikinya igongona ya kuhitithio kwa Raila Odinga muthini wa mweri muhituku wa udumwe na guthurwo kwa Barack Muluka ta mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ANC.
We cannot expect to have a rational and disciplined nation that focuses on what is good for the country when parties are not disciplined. We will henceforth take party discipline very seriously. We invite all our members to take keen note of this.
Mudavadi oho kiorota thirikari urwakire ugite ni igereria kuhotomia wiathi wa magoti undu uria ugite ANC ndigwitikiro thie na mbere.
Those who hold a different view must remain silent lest the hostage takers descend upon them. We are therefore steadily degenerating into a shouting and witch-hunting nation, where heaping insults upon each other makes us heroes.
Mashio magithii na mbere Senator wa Siaya James Orengo na muri biashara Jimmy Wanjigi nimerekeire bururi-ini wa Zimbabwe kuria mekunyitanira na Raila Odinga meharini ma kuhurukia uria wari Prime Minister na mutongoria wa mng'ethaniro hindi ya wathani wa Robert Mugabe bururi-ini ucio Morgan Changirai.
That once a court has given an order, all those officers who disobey that court order, they will bear personal responsibility for all that they've done in disobedience of the court order and in further infringement of the rights of my clients. And in this case, we will actually be considering going for the individuals in their own individual names, not going for the state as an amorphous entity.
Orengo na Wanjigi mararimo mwene thutha na Odinga huwai wa ira na ruhonge rwa uthami rugitongorio ni Ndagitari Gordon Kihalangwa rutigana kurekeria passport ciao makiuga matikinyirwo ni mwerekera wa igoti o tigariria wakiri Willis Otieno ururugameire aya eri arutire mwerekera ucio.
I feel really offended because I'm a state officer, I'm a member of parliament, a leader in parliament, an independent arm of government. And if the executive can deal with me this way, it means that the authority and dignity of parliament is completely emasculated. And to that extent, I'll raise this also with the speaker. If the speaker is for the rule of law and constitutionalism, he has to say something. And if he doesn't, then it means the whole institution of parliament is completely undermined.
Constitutional delinquents are now running this country. They have abrogated the rule of law. And really, when you reach this stage, you've got to start deciding what your path is. I think we are witnessing a lot around us in terms of our neighbors. People better get to understand the signs are all over. You cannot continue in this manner. The people who deal with you.
Orengo na Wanjigi ni amwe gatagati ka agia tano ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya NASA aria passport ciao ciaiyũkirio thutha wa kunyita itemi harĩ gũtabania mwĩhĩtwa wa Raila Odinga ta mũtongoria wa mũingĩ. Gũkorwo maigĩtwo mũhũyũ kwa mathaa mekuhinga 16 nĩ kĩoneria atĩ thirikari nĩ ihotorete kũng'ethanĩra na atongoria ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya NASA makĩrĩrĩria manyitire itemi harĩ kũhĩtithio kwa mũtongoria wa Raila Odinga. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma JKIA, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.